Never got her back running again. Turns out the scoring was rougher than I could really work with. It's 4 something in the morning. Pedaled my ass to a Circle K, a good few miles away from where I was. I tried over and over again trying to get this thing working. It's a combination shell Circle K. Gotta love their 79-cent drinks. As mentioned in the last video, there was I had said that there was no fuel in the float bowl. Turns out there was. I just didn't have the carburetor tilted, I guess, in the right direction for it to come spilling out the main jet port, or rather the breather hole. So it does get fuel to the carburetor, but I really couldn't tell you what caused the seize. I've been riding mopeds for the longest time, and adding oil and the right amount of oil is second nature. I'm actually running a little bit rich in terms of main jet, and she's been running good. Plug chop came out nice chocolatey milk, a little darker than probably some would want anyways. But man, just a rough end to a vacation, but it's part of the journey. I'm actually still enjoying it, as sore as I am. So I took Port St. Lucie, took Canner Highway to Pratt Whitney to Beeline, and then took Haver Hill out to Roebuck to jog to Okeechobee to Highway 7 or State Road 7. Took that for a long ass time till I was in basically Pompano Beach and Lyons Road, and that was my first checkpoint. I have a friend in the he lives in some apartment complex. She ran great, cannot complain. For today I left at 8 something, 9 something, and my goal was Key West. I did make it to Key West, so I'm satisfied with that. I made it there around 2:30, 3 o'clock, I cannot remember exactly. There are scooters fucking everywhere. The ratio for scooters versus cars, there's almost more scooters than there is cars. Holy shit. But I guess that's because the speed limit is 25 miles per hour in the entire city. So, and a lot of the scooters were actually 2-stroke, which didn't make me cringe so much. A couple of them had Technogas pipes on them. Let's see what else was there. Stopped at Wendy's, had myself a nice Frosty, chugged some soda, posted on Moped Army, and took my leave. And made it to, I don't know, about mile 100, somewhere around there. And then often if you see a video or even just a sound clip of someone seizing their engine, whether it's a soft seize or a hard seize, you usually hear the whining as the friction is increasing. I didn't get that. She ran strong. She didn't have any sudden increase in power beforehand to indicate maybe there was an air leak occurring. Nope, nothing. She idled great. I don't know what happened. It wasn't that whine to a lock. It was just an immediate lock, and my fat ass with the weight on the back, that's probably a good 50 pounds worth of portable moped shop there, kept the wheel moving enough against the friction of the piston. That's really about it. It took me only $12 to get down here. So I'm gonna hitch some rides and the back of some trucks for whoever's headed north. I can't afford all that taxi crap. Yeah. Gotta love Circle K. Alright, Flinix out.